Hi everybody, this is Nivedita from Love Knots by Nivedita. Today I want to share with all of you the DT kit that I have received from the Color Door as their design team member. So let's start with it. So let me show you what I've got. I've got two sets of these motif sheets. Then I've got one paper pack and then this folder which contains a lot of other goodies. So let's start with the motif sheets first. The motif sheets are 4 in number, and it says you've got 179 elements in it. The best part is it is again in 240 GSM and acid and linen free, and 179 elements means a lot. In first sheet you get a lot of tags here, then these cute pastel banners that you see here. The third sheet is the motif with critters, and I totally love these. These are my absolute favorite. And the last is with the monthly tags and a lot of elements for the baby theme if you're working on. And trust me when I say that I will even utilize this cutie here, because it's got again a very cute set of elements here. The little baby can be utilized for any top of the albums, and I would use these prints also, and they're again matte in a very good finish. I totally love them. Then there's this paper pack that I've got, which is again 12 by 12 in size. It is of 240 GSM, again acid and linen free, and best part is made in India, so I totally love it. Then let's get inside the album. The first, the scrapbook. I'm sorry, the paper pack. So the first sheet is this note card sheet, which again is you could get a set of laces here, lace print for a girl, a boy, and a polka dots, and very cute note cards for you to note down anything for the album, or you can decorate your scrapbook with these. You get 2 of these. In fact, you get 2 of each of these 12 designs. Then the second page is with these cute critters looking at you from the windows. And the third is pastel pink stars. The fourth is these baskets with balloons and critters flying in them. And this is my absolute favorite. This is all the critters in scallop design, and I just can't wait to work with these designs. These are super adorable. And this gray hearts here, which can be utilized for anything, or baby envelopes or baby frames. Even these stripes are pretty neat. Green is again very beautiful pastel green. And if you see this sheet here, the best part about this sheet is you don't waste it anywhere. You can use it vertically, you can use it horizontally. So it's a win-win for this page. And then this is again a cute sweater print, winter print here going on with critters. And last but not the least is these polka dots with the bear with a wreath on it, and I totally love this. And you know, the best part is this, the back of the album, the back of the paper pack, that it doesn't have any paper here. So it is they have provided you with this thick chipboard, which is almost 900 GSM, which you can actually utilize for making your scrapbooks covers. So I'm totally going to utilize each and every inch of this paper pack. And the next is this goodie pack that Harshita and Simran has sent me. So let's get inside this. So there's this white foam that I get for utilizing my fabrics to make album bindings or anything like that. Then these are these cute buttons, very super cute buttons. Let me just open one of them for you. They're super cute, like, you know, if you want to work with frames or boxes, you can definitely utilize these. These are super adorable. And these set of pastel flowers, which again goes very well with our theme. These doilies are my I just, like, you know, you all know that I am totally in love with crochet. I do crochet a lot by myself, so when I get something like this, I just can't stop admiring it. I know how much hard work goes in it, so I totally love these. Thank you so much, Harshita and Simran, for coming up with something that is actually really handmade, and, like, you know, I totally appreciate this. Nobody has ever actually tried to venture into something this super cute handmade stuff, and I totally applaud you, both of you, for getting this into action again. And then I get a polka dot lace here in my kit. Then I got this very cute striped fabric in cotton, which I will be utilizing for binding my albums. So I'm hoping to work with it, and it really goes very well with the prints in the paper pack. And this very cute cotton polka dot in pink. In fact, I have myself ordered one more extra fabric, which is this one. I totally love this print. So all the prints are super. I totally love all the prints, and I'm sure even you will love them because they are very gender neutral. You can utilize them, very baby like, so utilizing them in your products will be amazing. And this is the one that I waited for. Actually, it is personalized for me, that says Nivedita the color door, and I truly appreciate Harshita and Simran, your efforts for personalizing it for me and sending it over to me. I totally love it, and I just can't wait to start with my work module on the color door team as the DT member with notes in this notebook. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having faith in me, and thank you so much for having me as your design team member. I just can't wait to come up with something super cute with these babies. All right, stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye bye.